Hey Norm, just a couple of little things I'd like you to do before you finish up today. So the Kajabi website, which is this one here. Um, so this whole section here, all the different weeks. At the moment, that's one section. I was wondering if you could split it out into 8 separate little sections, just so we can change the color of the background for each one. And now you will be able to do it. So if you look at the moment, if I try to change the background color, it changes everything. So how you would do that is just add in a new section and have one section for each week. So with the image and then the headline. So if you could just go and split those out, I've got them all in the one at the moment, but if you could go and split them out, that'd be good. Next thing is you're able to make this header a little bit bigger with it remaining on one line. I tried doing it, but it pushed it onto 2 lines. That seemed to be the biggest I could get it, but if you could do anything to the code to make that stretch a little bit longer, that'd be good. And if you could make that image, just give a bit more padding on that image and down a bit, because when you're looking at it as one for the first fold, it doesn't take up the whole fold. If you get that onto one line, that'd be good. Yeah, obviously fix up that section there. And that's cool for that's the actual web page. Now on the Black Belt System landing page, so when you click through this button, so this will be the landing page in Kajabi. Can you copy the header image that we've got here? So the one with the little karate belts, that one there. Can you overlay that onto here? You can leave that overlay of that color as well. I like that. Change that, make that the same size as here, all in capitals. If you could leave this as is, just change these images to match up with the ones I've got here. I'll send them over to you. So for each week, just copy those images over. And that should be it. So yeah, if you could just finish those couple of things before you go for the week, that will be great. Thanks, mate.